fine.
I'm not. I'm
Yeah.
gonna go straight up in this bitch.
It's 105 degrees, but it's sick. Yeah. Made
It's gonna get used to, bro.
the hot springs, dude. This is so sick.
You can see it. Damn, Chris.
You got the 3 flavors of ice cream right there.
You got fresa and you got vanilla.
Yeah.
Hey, you got
Your
the
hair.
other side.
You all just fit in that one vehicle? Yeah, take the picture, that's all. I mean, with all your stuff and everything. Get deeper over here by chance? Maybe a little bit.
That was a good nay. That was a good nay.
Martine, you didn't tell me shit, you
Bro, I wasn't looking.
Me neither.
You enjoyed the...
It was okay. Let me give you the rundown. It was very hot, but it was relaxing. I wish it was a little bit deeper, but we had a good time. And then, and then the river was tibia. That means between cold and warm. It was nice. We had a good swim. I swam like Khabib against the stream, the current, and we had fun. Yeah.
There you have it. It was a good time. What do you think?
I got headshotted
Oh, yeah. Move your thing.
by my primo.
Yeah. You got it.
Motherfucker can't skip a rock.
That shit's so funny. Now we're gonna go back and get some breakfast. And then we are going to go to the canyon so that they can fish, even though I don't think they'll catch anything. And then just meander the rest of the day. We're going to the restaurant right now.
Hey, hit that.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it.
Yeah, let's see it.
Look at the moves. Look at the moves here. Look at the moves. We made it to San Helena Canyon. And we'll see how the water is. So, I made it to the canyon. Now it's just a matter of crossing the river. And I don't remember if we cross here or if we cross there. I guess we're gonna find out. I think that side might be not as deep. We are there. Sheesh. But yeah, it was extremely muddy walking across the... What? What am I saying?
Flower.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's a pretty little flower. Yeah, super gross. I need to figure out what we're gonna do, shower-wise, if we're gonna shower, or like how to rinse off the mud, but that's a later problem. In the meantime, we're just hiking through this canyon. Seems like we found a shortcut that has no water. Oh yeah, right there. That makes sense. No? Found a, well, I guess not a shortcut. No, so the correct way of getting over here without getting extremely muddy. Bruh, it's so fucking hot outside, it's insane. I think it's like 110, 112. It's gross. But the sights are really cool, so.
Bueno, este es ya oficialmente el último día aquí en Big Bend. Ya mañana nos vamos temprano. ¿Cómo la hemos pasado, Martín?
It's been fun. I've been parenting these ducklings.
Whoa. I wouldn't go
Diego.
that far. En verdad lo pasamos brutal, muchas peleas, pero con amor. Con amor, sí.
La familia. Gabo, ¿cómo la has pasado?
Papi, todo bien, tú sabes que la sangre pesa más que el agua.
Barbie, ¿cómo te la has pasado?
Me necesito callar.
Muy bien. Cristian, ¿cómo te la has pasado?
Todo bien.
Muy bien. Han pasado de maravilla, en verdad. Subimos el resumen, subimos el Emory Peak, allá atrás de nosotros. Allá atrás de nosotros, eso que está allí. Eso nos tomó unas cuantas horitas, muchas peleas, pero lo hicimos bien. Después fuimos a los Hot Springs. A los Hot Springs conocimos a Mike.
Él es un chulo.
Mike es un chulo.
AKA Big Lebowski.
Nos tomó, can I say?
Pero tú no te ibas a callar.
Nos tomó algunas Polaroids,
Oh, that was a lie.
but they were bad.
All good?
Chris, you just got here. Don't talk
Dile,
shit now.
continue.
Mira, dile que Cristian se quemó también.
Cristian se achicharró y...
Se parece
Vamos
bad,
a eso,
¿no?
pero con calma. Anyways,
Pero not everywhere.
¿verdad? Fuimos a los Hot Springs por la mañana, salimos de aquí como a eso de las 5:30, 6. Llegamos a los Hot Springs, nos tiramos. Luego de eso, llegamos otra vez al campsite, descansamos. Ahí descansamos un rato, empezamos a ver The Spectacular Now. Sí, papi, el bebé. Buen provecho, Chris. Gracias. Empezamos a ver The Spectacular Now y después nos fuimos para el cañón de Santa Elena. Allí la pasamos de maravilla, cruzamos a México. Barbie, Cristian y
Cogí
yo.
una roca.
Cogí una roca, dije lo bajito porque eso se supone que no lo hiciera. Alegadamente. Fuimos a México, fuimos dentro del cañón, la pasamos brutal y gracias a Dios y a la Virgen tenemos salud y la hemos pasado de maravilla, así que
Que ahora son mensajes.
on to the next one.
Dale.
Poured up. Buen provecho. Como un maricón.
Wallet. Hey, Austin, it's been a blast.
Yeah,
Much
sure.
love to the primos.
Yes, sir. He's got his shit. You definitely got your wallet? Alright, bro. Later, love y'all, man.
Down.
Love y'all.
Safe flight.
Adios.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on her back like Charles Dupont. I get so